Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews, and I just got my new cooktop. It just got delivered. I ordered this through Amazon. I ordered the Frigidaire. I'm very excited. It just, like I said, just arrived. The box is a little banged up, so I'm gonna have to make sure I inspect it properly. I have a hole right there, a couple of gashes on it, not too bad, but this hole is the only thing that's kind of scaring me. Hopefully that's okay. So we're gonna check this out. We're gonna open it up, see what we got. I'm gonna bring it up inside. Obviously I can't do that on camera because it is a little heavy. It's not too heavy, but let's see if they banged it around. There's the model number that I got, as you can see right there. That's the model number, the FGIC3066TB. Cooktop is what I got, the Frigidaire. So I'm gonna get this inside for you, and we're gonna get this on my counter, open it up and unbox it and get a new review on it of unboxing what we're gonna get in there. And we're gonna see what that hole looks like next, and hopefully it didn't damage anything and that's just styrofoam. All right, so that's next. All right, everybody, we are back, and we got the cooktop inside. I finally was able to lift it. I got this hole right here. We're gonna open it up and make sure that there is no problem with this hole right here, if there's any damage. Let's get this thing opened and see what we got inside. I'm gonna leave the camera right here and open it up, and then you guys will see it when it's, I'll move the camera back when it's laid out, but let me just get it open so you guys can see the box opening and see exactly what I'm gonna be opening up inside and what you're gonna be getting when you order your Frigidaire cooktop, all right? So we're gonna cut this open here. So it looks like we got the brackets. We got two brackets right here that are gonna lock it onto the countertop. I'm guessing this are the ones that lock it onto the countertop over here. Okay, that's what's on the top so far. And then we got the directions on the top as well. And they give you some cream, I guess, cleaning or buffering cream. Cooktop Cleaner. They give you some Cooktop Cleaner in here, which is kind of cool. So there's Cooktop Cleaner in there. So we got that. This is, like I said, Frigidaire. So we got this. This is your all warranty pack, and all your instructions are going to be in here. The bag just ripped open, so that kind of stinks. But whatever, it's whatever. I don't really need a sealed bag for that, so that's fine. So all your paperwork is in here. Here's a tag. That's made, a sticker that's made to be put on something. There's a sticker right here that's made to be put on something. I don't know what that's for. So, okay, that's in there. And then the cooktop itself is just like this. I don't see any damage so far. That broken part looks like it's where the styrofoam was, so I guess that's okay. The styrofoam is broken in half, but it is still sitting fine. So we are going to see what's up. We're going to get this opened and see exactly what we got going on. Let me check the camera and make sure we can get this lifted up and over here so you guys can see exactly what we're dealing with. All right, let's check this out. All right, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna lay it right over here, and we can see what's going on and make sure everything's okay with it. All right, so that's so that's all that's in there. That's all that's in that box. I opened it up as you saw. This is exactly what you're going to get in there. Straighten this out so I can hold this up. Sorry, like that. So this is what you can expect to get. This is what I got in the box. Sorry for the glare. So I don't see any cracks. Everything looks good. It looks really good. This is kind of how it came. So that box, that hole in the box didn't really matter. Here's my whip that comes with it. I thought it was going to come with a box connector, a 3/4 inch box connector or something, but it didn't. It's a 3-wire or ground. And we got the 2 power wires right here. So that's the whip right there. That's connected to it. Some instructions that are connected to the whip to make sure you wire it properly. So we have that as well. And that's it. So that's the unboxing of it. That's after I got it in the house. That's the unboxing of it and what you can expect it to look like. And we're going to get this thing installed next. Hopefully you guys join me and we'll get this thing installed and you can see how I'm going to install it. And we'll do that in the next video. And that is the plan. All right, everybody. Enjoy. Thanks for watching Glenn Velvet Reviews. I am out. This is just a checkup on the, sorry for the glare, this is just a checkup on the Induction cooktop that I ordered, the Frigidaire. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.